There it is, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And if you're looking for a smartwatch which is compatible with all devices, get any notifications, Spotify without your phone, and so much more, then get ready for some tips, tricks, and hidden features on this bad boy. So guys, let's get it started. By the way, my name is Leonard, you're watching the product review, and that's me. So a pretty cool feature with the Galaxy Watch 4 is that you can control your phone's camera with your watch. And now if I head into my app menu, I can select the little camera icon. And what it does, it lets me see everything my phone is seeing except through my watch. So let's give it a few seconds. And the cool thing right here is that I can even set some different timers. So I have the timer for like 2 seconds, then I can do it on 5 seconds and even more. Another thing you can do is take some pictures with this one. If I do the video mode, it changes right quick and I can do some videos as well, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So definitely check out the camera control app if you get your new watch so you can control your phone's camera. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is perfect for receiving all of your notifications. So when you open up your Samsung wearable app, head over to watch settings, then click on notifications, and then you just have to toggle on all of your notifications that you want to receive. So you have the most optimized settings for your notifications, and then you can begin receiving all of your emails as well as messages, SMS. You can even receive notifications from your Instagram DMs. If you scroll down, there are a couple of quick replies and of course WhatsApp messages. So you can just about receive any notification that you can think of. And the great thing about this is you can respond to almost all of the notifications right from your watch. If you click the mic icon, you can just speak to your watch and it will automatically dictate your message, and then you can click send. And of course, there are a bunch of different ways to respond to notifications as well. Usually with most of the smartwatches today, if you want to control your music, you have to have your phone connected all of the time. But with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you can just download all of your favorite playlists and tracks right to your watch. So all you need to do is, in Spotify on your watch, select the track or list you want to download, and then scroll down just a little bit, and right over here, there you can toggle on download. And straight away, it will start downloading the whole playlist. And just like that, I will never need my smartphone anymore to listen to my favorite tracks. Or I can just put in my earbuds to listen to my favorite tracks. And I can use my watch's speakers to listen to music too. Cool, right? Everyone loves to customize some watch faces. And the cool thing on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, that it is so easy to customize. You just have to open up the Galaxy wearable app, click on watch faces, and right here you have a whole bunch of different watch faces to choose from. You have sporty looking ones, digital and analog watch faces. And the cool thing right here is that just about every watch face is customizable. All you have to do for that is click on the little customize button, and here we get something that is called complication, which basically just means it shows us a bunch of extra metrics, and there are so many different ones to choose from. You can even change the look of your hands and the color as well. Depending on what watch face you choose depends on how much you can customize. But for the most part, all of the watch faces are customizable. Plus there's a pretty cool feature where you can match your watch face to the style of outfit that you're wearing. So all you have to do is go to the Galaxy wearable app once again, tap watch faces, and then you just have to look for the watch face which is called My Style. Then just tap the customize button again, and now we get the option to take a picture. So now I just have to open up the camera, take a quick selfie. Let's say okay, and now I can just choose the area that I want with this little circle, and bam, I get customizable watch faces that fit my outfit. And that's a pretty damn cool feature. Just check that one out. Now the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 might not be the greatest, but you do have a few ways of saving a little bit extra battery. So if you see that you're running out of battery life, just pop on the wireless power share on your Samsung device, then lay it down flat, pop your watch on the back, and ta-da! Your watch will start charging straight away. But what you can also do to save some battery life is to pop it in power saving mode or grayscale mode. And you simply do it by tapping 3 times on your screen with 2 fingers, and as you can see, everything goes gray. And of course it starts to save some battery life right away. Now in order to turn it back off, you just have to triple tap it again, and it goes back to normal. Just make sure that everything is enabled within the settings. If you open up the settings and scroll all the way down to accessibility, and then scroll down until you reach advanced settings, and then over there you will find the settings that say 2-finger triple tap. Just make sure that it is toggled on, and then you will see that there are actually a whole bunch of settings to choose from. But I went with grayscale since it really does save some battery life. Now I don't know about you guys, but there's nothing worse than losing your smartphone or not finding it when you are in a hurry. Now, lucky you that this watch has a Find My Phone feature, so you will never lose or misplace your smartphone again. All you have to do is to scroll through your apps until you find the Find My Phone icon. Once you press it, your phone will immediately start ringing, even if your smartphone is on mute. Now that even works the other way around, so you can actually look for your smartphone through your smartphone. For that, you just have to open up the Galaxy Wearable app, click on Find My Watch, and your watch will start ringing. Now onto some quick tips just in case you didn't know about them. Something which is pretty cool about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is when you do workouts like arm curls, the watch will do the counting for you. We also get some advanced features like an all-day blood oxygen tracker. We have the ECG function, for which you only need to put your 2 fingers on the top right button, and after 30 seconds you will get your results with a small analysis. Fall detection and SOS emergency is also part of your features. For that, you just have to go to your Galaxy Wearable app, advanced settings, and over here you have the SOS. Now just toggle on both and put in your emergency contact. If you triple tap the home button now, and whenever you're in an emergency, within 5 seconds your watch will start calling and message your emergency contact. On the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you can even take some screenshots. Just press both buttons on your smartwatch simultaneously and it will take a screenshot and save it to your watch gallery if you want to check them out. The cool thing is that it also saves it to your phone as well, so you can send it to your friends anytime you want to. To delete screenshots on your watch, you have to press on the screen for 2 seconds and swipe up to delete them. Now you can also control your watch with gestures. Just go to the Galaxy Wearable app once again, click on Become a Power User and enable the gestures for answering calls or dismiss alerts and calls. Now if you wiggle your arm up and down, you can answer calls now, or if you rotate your wrist twice, you can decline incoming calls or you can dismiss some alerts. Now I have one last feature for you guys, which is that you can lock your screen. In the security settings of your watch, you can turn on the lock mode and set 2 different types of locks. You can either use a pin or use a pattern, just like on your smartphone. Now if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more smartwatch reviews, just click one of these videos right here. And with that being said, see you next time. Peace.